It is often said that big things have small beginnings. It starts with a need or a simple idea to do something better, and a greater purpose emerges. Helping others achieve success becomes a mission and is at the heart of what we stand for. It defines us. Over time, we adapt and change to solve problems and embrace new opportunities. Striving for bold new solutions, generation after generation, leads to further growth and success. Guided by our values and passion, we have navigated uncertainty with a passion to discover, innovate, and break new ground, all with our partner's success in mind. Transformation is part of our legacy. It's in our DNA. And as part of MSC, we are all committed to achieving our full potential and helping our customers, suppliers, shareholders, and communities do the same. As we continue to evolve, we reflect on and celebrate our history and eagerly look ahead to a bright future. With the marketplace changing faster than ever, we believe that there are dramatically better ways to operate, to achieve greater results. We believe industry leadership requires a team of driven experts, working side by side with our partners. We use our extensive cross-industry experience and data to deliver unique insights and solutions. We believe the future lies in challenging the status quo, and we're passionate about transforming how our partners operate. Every day, we work to fuel their productivity, growth, and success. This is our shared purpose, the promise we make to ourselves, our partners, our communities, and the world.